All right, one day wasn't good enough, 2 days not good enough. Let's go for a third day of e-learning. So today, a little bit different. So weekly agenda, go on today's. You see, Wednesday, make sure you guys get that done. The notes, okay, simple enough. Complete the notes. There's my PowerPoint that goes over the notes with my voiceover. Turn in. Next one, quiz. Remember, watch the video for the passcode. Okay, so passcode's in this video here, so all you gotta do is click on it, watch it, and I will give you the passcode to the quiz. Take the quiz over the video of the Shogun history. Today, pretty simple. We're gonna make a hat. Okay, not just any sort of hat, a samurai hat. So I'm gonna have you guys try this origami samurai hat. You will need a piece of paper, preferably square. If you have just a regular note piece of paper, you might have to cut it to make it more square. It works better with a square piece of paper, but nonetheless, I want you to create a samurai hat using the Chinese or the Japanese tradition of origami. I know next week the goal was to have a simulation where some of you guys might be playing a samurai. So if you guys do a really good job with your hats, you can bring it to school and actually wear it during the simulation. So if you do have those really good art skills, not like me, I am terrible at art, but I try. Bring it in on Monday, but I do want you guys actually showing me a picture of your samurai hat. So as you create these origami samurai hat, just take a picture of it and then upload it down here. All right, so simple enough. Watch the videos I have here. I have a Word instruction, so if you click on here, it goes over a Word document on how to create the samurai hat. Now me, I am more of a visual learner, so reading this stuff, I get it, but it's hard for me to kind of recreate without seeing it visually. So I actually have a video on there as well, so hopefully I was gonna have this a little before I was done. There it is. So as you see, kind of simple step by step of how to fold it, and then you get your hat at the end. You can color if you want. Don't need to. I'm not gonna really take a grade to the coloring of the actual hat, but the actual design and creation of the hat. So you can color it. Here's a video instructions. As you see, this is an East Noble approved. Okay, so it is watchable by us, so you should be able to watch it just like yesterday's video. You do need to make sure you're signed into your East Noble account, so make sure you're signed in. If it does not work, sign out, close out, open back in, sign back in, then click on the link and it should work. Haven't had too many issues with the video that we did the other day, so hopefully it all works. But this is a visual, same thing, so it just kind of goes through the steps, and you can follow this lady here as she makes the samurai hat. Same thing. So this is just a visual representation. So we have the paper if you want to just read and then fold it, or if you want the visual representation, I have that as well. So once you're done, you're just going to take a photo of that and turn it into that window right there. Okay. If you haven't completed Bellwork 19, please do. All right, so complete Bellwork 19, go back over, make sure you've completed my notes, make sure you've taken the quiz. The quiz you can take as many times as you want. There's just a 5-minute window between, so kind of go back and watch that YouTube video to make sure you got 100% on that one, but you can take it as many times as you want. And then the samurai hat, so make sure you guys are working on that. If you have any questions on that kind of stuff, let me know, but simple, just make the hat, take a photo of it, and then you're good to go. You can color it, you can dress it up however you want. You do not need to, though. All right, I just want to see what the hat looks like. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always hit me up on Teams or on email. All right, have a good one.